Today is Monday, August the 11th, and the weather's not looking too good. We're getting the tail end of Hurricane Bertha, I think.
Makes it. We should really not burn this thing. Okay. Way to go.
We've reached a little hiking spot to a waterfall, and this is the river running away from the falls. The rain's actually let up and we see blue skies. That's a big piece of tree. These are the Falls of Shin.
Do something in Gairloch.
Look at what it's like over there. There's a car coming through. There'll tell you something.
Oh my God, yeah, that's not really too smart.
Well, that's where we're going, guys, so that's what he wants to check out.
Well, it might
Well,
make
if he
it.
gets over, but you know, he's little.
He could be thrown around. He's going, he's going.
Is that Gairloch?
To the left?
Oh crap.
That's where he wants to go. Shieldaig. I think it's our car. Yeah, he's actually this
I'm
way.
going to talk to the driver. How is it crappy?
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
I think I want to sit over here. I want to have to make a quick
Get us there safely, man. I think we owe you.
Wow. Did you get that on?
Success, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Are your brakes okay?
We're now at our hotel in Gairloch, and it's pouring rain. And we're going to walk into the village to the pub. Which way? found our pub.
This is really unusual here. This does look like Maine for me. That's probably what I love about this place.
Yeah, but I remember Maine, the rocks get all seaweedy.
Yeah, this is like the islands in that's like
Silver?
the Silver, yeah. It doesn't taste as bitter as I would have expected, actually.
Again, but I think you're a lot more comfortable underneath the
Oh, that's good. Very good. Have some more because I'm gonna say it.
This is downstream from the earlier picture where we crossed the bridge. Here we have several different kinds of heather. Light pink, purple, orange, and the green ferny looking stuff is bracken. This was our pub. This is our hotel.
You know, I stopped here and it was down.